Let's learn one common English business idiom a day. Today's business idiom is the sentence back to square one. What is back to square one? What does it mean? Back to square one means to start something over again because a previous attempt failed. To try again starting from zero. Let's see back to square one used in a sentence. To make this recipe work well, we'll have to go back to square one. Your strategies aren't right. Let's go back to square one and try again. Thanks for watching this video. We hope to help you with your vocabulary.